Alright, so in today's video, we're going to go ahead and swap out some shocks here. Here's my replacement set of shocks, some KYBs, and we're going to slap these guys on. Gone ahead and put some penetrating oil in there. It's a 20-year-old truck. There's some rust. It's definitely been in the salt belt, so I'm trying to maximize my leverage as much as possible. But we're about to take this wheel off and get to business. Alright guys, before I get too far ahead of myself here, this is our progress so far. It's actually coming off. I can't believe it. It is a miracle. And same thing with our top bolt. So I'm going to go ahead and finish zipping these guys out, and then we'll be back to put the new shock in. Bottom nut is off. Now we're just gonna finish up this guy. So what I found that works best on this top nut and bolt is to put our 19 mil open in like that. Rest this guy against a dust shield here for our hub assembly. And then I'm gonna go ahead and finish working that nut off. That guy on. A new shock, fully extended. I mean, look how long that is. And then take a look at the one that we're replacing. Now it was extended a little bit, just a teensy bit, but I compressed it, and it's not returning. So this thing has shot its load, and it's full time to replace it. I'm just glad that I got it off. Not much of a fight. And this looks like the OE or OEM shock assembly. Let me see if I can focus here better. See? Japan. So yeah, this is the OG shock, guys. This is the original shock assembly. And this truck has well over 300,000 miles on it. It still rolled pretty good, but I noticed the back was bottoming out. I know it's not the shocks alone, although they did need attention. But these coil springs, too, are worn. They're sagging. Hence the name Camper Dan, because he's old. But I'm thinking about getting a pair of our replacement coils. Personally, I want something with a higher spring rate because I camp with this truck. Me and my wife, we just acquired a cargo trailer that we're going to use for camping, and right now in this current stage it probably weighs about 1,500 pounds, and our max towing rate for this particular Pathfinder, because it is the manual, is 3,500 pounds with a max tongue weight of 350. Yeah, we're definitely going to need to do something about these guys, because I'm going to go pick up that trailer this weekend. I don't know. Alright, so everyone's happy. We got our washer and our bolt back on the bottom. Nut and bolt back on the top. And we've torqued things down. Look at our shock, guys. It still has yet to return. I mean, this thing is just done for. But moving on to the next side. I'm not gonna bore you guys with the details. Same thing. I mean, it's literally two nuts and bolts, top and one bottom. And as long as you can get those guys off without snapping them, you should be home free.